Welcome guys back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna cook a lovely couscous and king prawn with a bit of vegetable. So stay tuned. If this video is of any help to you, please remember to like, share and subscribe and leave positive comments. So stay tuned. So here I have a pot on and I'm gonna put a bit of oil in it. Then I'm going to add some onion. I'm going to put a bit of peas pepper in it, so I will dice it. I'm going to use a half of this. I'm going to use 2 tomatoes. Pinch of coarse salt. Black pepper. I'm going to add a bit of butter in. Then some hot water. So I want that to just boil a bit. I'm going to put a bit of vegetable stock in it. So the moment this starts, I'm going to add the couscous in. Then I'm going to turn it off. This is what it looks like. I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to cover it up for a couple of minutes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to crush this garlic. And that's what I'm going to put in the pot with a bit of butter, a bit of olive oil to cook the prawns. So I'll leave that here. I have a bit of onion here I'm going to put with it. I'm going to cut a sliver of that just to make it colorful and nice. So you have 3-4 different colors here. Okay. I'm going to add a bit of oil in. And some butter. Gonna put this in. Add a bit of onion. Then the prawn, drop the prawn in. Bit of cold sauce. pepper. As soon as this finish, I'm gonna make just a sauce to go around it. It's kind of been like a little drizzle, oil, bit of coriander, just to accompany the dish. So to make that, I'm gonna use this same green sweet pepper, and I'm gonna dice them up. Gonna put them in here. I will try to cut this in. About half a minute and these will be ready. Now inside here, as you can see the different color, I need a herb to go in that. So I'm going to use some fresh coriander, chopped. And I'm going to add it to this. Bit of olive oil, coarse salt, some pepper. So this is ready. I'll take this off and let this stay there and rest. So this, just mix this around a bit. And I'm going to use a piece of lemon, bit of lemon juice in this. Okay, now the couscous is ready. So I'm going to put it on a plate, but I'm going to put it in a mold. So I'm going to press it down like so. Turn the plate. And then I'm going to put the prawn inside here. And this on top. I'm not finished yet. Just give me a couple seconds. And this one, let me bring the camera up a little bit more. So with this dressing, what I make, I'm gonna put it around the side. Nice and colorful, like so. Give it a bit of turn. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna finish off with a bit of mint leaf. So there you have it. Then there you have it, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.